Morrissey from behind the goal. Ahead to Lowry, who turns back. Tries a long pass, intercepted by Jordan Martin. He's in on the left wing. Drops to Rinaldo. Zac Rinaldo with a shot. Rebound loose. Slid to the crease. And a shot by Stepan. Still loose. Shovel to the side. They score! Alex Goligoski after the wild scramble, and the Coyotes make it 1-0.
Well, boy, there's not much more Steve Mason could have done there. You stop the first three, the fourth one goes in. Adam Lowry tries his long pass, it's knocked down. It's a dangerous pass, that's a turnover, and the Coyotes have control. Shot comes through, Mason, rebound, Mason stops the second one, stacks the pads, but then the third one gets in. And even though the goalie's sprawled all over the place, there's no goaltender interference. Ronaldo's in the crease, but he's not blocking the goaltender. And you can see the frustration of Steve Mason as he fires the puck out with his blocker.
Alex Goligoski, who was a game-time decision whether to play in this one, has his second of the year. 1-0 Arizona, no longer Alex Goligoski's goal. It's been credited to Zac Rinaldo, who has his second of the season.
Well, traffic in front, Goligoski shoots it. There's Rinaldo in front of Steve Mason. He hits him on the way in, or maybe he hit his stick. Here,
I think his left knee.
Yeah, left knee. It's off his left knee and up and over Steve Mason.